Hi everyone, welcome to Reading Rockstars. I'm Maria, and today we're talking about point of view in stories.
And I'm Jamal. Point of view is super important because it tells us who is telling the story.
Exactly. First-person point of view uses words like I and we. Like if I said, I walked to the store and bought candy.
In second person, the story talks directly to you. You walk into the classroom and find a mysterious note on your desk. It's like you're in the story.
Third person is the tricky one because there are three types. In third person, the story uses words like he, she, or they.
Let me give an example of third-person objective. Emma walked to school. She sat at her desk. The narrator just tells what's happening, but not what anyone is thinking.
With third person limited, we get one character's thoughts. Emma walked to school. She worried about her math test. She sat at her desk. We only know what Emma thinks.
And third-person omniscient is like the narrator knows everything. Emma walked to school worried about her test. Her teacher, Mr. Lee, was planning a surprise pizza party instead. The principal watched from the window, thinking about retirement.
See how the omniscient narrator knows what everyone is thinking? That's the magic of it.
What's your favorite point of view to read, Maria?
I love first person because it feels so personal. But third person omniscient lets me know all the secrets.
Remember, friends, figuring out the point of view helps you understand the story better. Happy reading.